Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of spark plugs to help you find the best options for your vehicle. Whether you're looking for affordability, performance, or durability, we've got you covered with our top 5 picks. Stick around to get the full scoop on each product, and don't forget to check the links in the description below for more details. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the A Premium set of 4 ignition coil pack and iridium spark plugs. This is a comprehensive kit designed for a variety of Toyota, Lexus, and Scion models. The standout feature here is the inclusion of both ignition coils and iridium spark plugs, making it a complete solution for anyone looking to overhaul their vehicle's ignition system. The iridium spark plugs ensure better fuel efficiency, reduced emissions, and faster startups, while the ignition coils are built with durable materials for long-lasting performance. In terms of design and build quality, the spark plugs are crafted with iridium, a premium material known for its high melting point and excellent durability. The inclusion of blade-style ignition coil terminals ensures a secure connection, and the bolt-on installation makes the process straightforward for DIYers. The kit is also backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee, which adds peace of mind. While this kit is a great value for those needing both coils and plugs, it may not be the best choice if you're only looking to replace spark plugs. Additionally, at 2.51 pounds, it's a bit bulkier than other options on this list. Overall, this is a fantastic pick for drivers seeking an all-in-one solution for their ignition system, especially if you own a compatible Toyota, Lexus, or Scion model. At number 4, we have the Koken 3300CZ16 3/8 square driver Z-Series spark plug socket. Now this product is a bit of an outlier because it's a tool rather than a spark plug itself, but it's an essential for anyone who performs their own maintenance. Designed to fit 16mm spark plugs, this socket is made from durable alloy steel with a powder-coated finish that resists corrosion. This spark plug socket features a hex-style head for easy installation and removal, making it especially useful for tight engine compartments where maneuverability is limited. The build quality is top-notch, and its lightweight design at just 2.46 ounces ensures it's easy to handle. While it doesn't directly improve engine performance, it's a must-have tool for anyone working on their vehicle's ignition system. The Koken socket is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics alike, but it's not a direct replacement for spark plugs themselves. If you're looking for a reliable, durable tool to make spark plug changes easier, this is a great choice. However, its limited functionality as a single-purpose tool might not justify the price for casual users. Coming in at number 3, we have the A Premium Iridium and Platinum spark plugs for Jaguar X and S-Type models. This pack of 6 spark plugs is specifically engineered for 3.0 V6 engines, offering exceptional compatibility and performance. The blend of iridium and platinum in the electrode tips ensures optimal ignitability and a longer lifespan compared to standard options. The design of these spark plugs is impressive, with a 0.047-inch gap size and a thread diameter of 14 millimeters. The insulator height of 53 millimeters is tailored for Jaguar engines, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless installation. These spark plugs are designed to last between 20,000 and 30,000 miles, making them a solid choice for drivers who value consistency and reliability. While these plugs are a high-quality option for Jaguar owners, their specific compatibility limits their appeal for other vehicle types. Additionally, they are not the most affordable option, but their performance and longevity make them a worthwhile investment. If you own a Jaguar and are looking for a spark plug that will enhance your engine's efficiency and lifespan, this product is an excellent choice. At number 2, we have the NGK LKAR7BIX Iridium iX spark plug, a favorite among performance enthusiasts. This 4-pack of spark plugs is designed to deliver extreme ignitability, improved throttle response, and superior anti-fouling. The laser-welded fine iridium tip ensures high durability and a stable spark, which is critical for high-performance engines. The design features a tapered ground electrode to minimize electrical quenching and a triple gasket seal to eliminate combustion gas leakage. The longer insulator nose prevents fouling, and the trivalent metal plating offers excellent anti-corrosion properties. NGK has truly optimized this product for durability and reliability. With over 2,500 positive customer reviews, this product is a proven choice for those who demand top-tier performance. However, it's best suited for performance-oriented engines and may be overkill for standard vehicles. If you're a driver who's serious about maximizing your engine's potential, these spark plugs are a fantastic investment. And finally, at number 1, we have the A Premium Iridium Platinum Spark Plugs, a versatile set compatible with a range of Dodge and Acura models. This pack of 6 spark plugs is designed for vehicles with 3.2-liter and 3.7-liter engines, combining iridium and platinum to deliver exceptional ignitability and longevity. The product boasts a 0.044-inch gap size, a platinum core material, and a 50.5mm insulator height, all of which are optimized for high performance and reliable operation. These spark plugs are engineered for a replacement interval of 80,000 to 100,000 miles, making them a long-lasting choice for drivers who want minimal maintenance. With a solid 4.6-star rating, these spark plugs are highly regarded for their performance and durability. While they are not specifically tailored for high-performance engines like the NGK option, their broad compatibility and excellent value make them the best overall pick for everyday drivers. Whether you own a Dodge Ram or an Acura TL, these spark plugs are a reliable choice that won't disappoint. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the top 5 spark plugs on the market. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button for more in-depth product reviews. If you had any questions about these products, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next one.